Comets visitors from beyond. The one thing we love the most in the world of astronomy is a good mystery. And if there was ever a mysterious and yet very powerful force of nature that we witness in the night skies, it is the coming of the mighty comet. The arrival of a comet within view of Earth is an event of international importance. Witness the huge media attention that the Halley or Hale-Bopp have had when they have come within view. The sight of these amazing space objects is simultaneously frightening and or inspiring. Above all, it is during these comet viewings that the astronomer comes out in all of us. But what is a comet? Asteroids are small space rocks that come from an asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. While still quite stunning to see, they pale in comparison to the arrival of a comet. Asteroids also have received considerable study by the scientific community. Not as much is known about comets. As a rule, comets are considerably larger than asteroids. The center or nucleus of a comet is usually quite solid, but the snowball materials often create a cloud around that nucleus that can become quite large and that extends great lengths behind the comet as it moves through space. That trailing plume is what makes up the comet's magnificent tail that makes it so exciting to watch when a comet comes within view of Earth. The origins of comets is similarly mysterious. There are a number of theories about where they come from, but it is clear that they originate from outside our solar system, somewhere in deep space. Some have speculated they are fragments left over from the organization of planets that get loose from whatever gravitational pull and are sent flying across space to eventually get caught up in the gravity of our sun, bringing them into our solar system. Another theory is that they come from a gaseous cloud called the Oort cloud, which is cooling out there after the organization of the sun. Scientists refer to a comet that is expected to burn out or impact the sun within 200 years as a short-period comet, whereas a long-period comet has a life expectancy of over 200 years. That may seem long to us as Earth dwellers, but in terms of stars and planets, this is a very short life as a space object indeed. Scientists across the globe have put together some pretty impressive probes to learn more about comets to aid our understanding of these visitors from beyond. In 1985, for example, the United States put a probe into the path of the comet Jacobi's inner, which passed through the comet's tail, gathering tremendous scientific knowledge about comets. Then in 1986, an international coalition of scientists were able to launch a probe that was able to fly close to Halley's Comet as it passed near Earth and continue their research. While science fiction writers and tabloid newspapers like to alarm us with the possibility of a comet impacting the Earth, scientists who understand the orbits of comets and what changes their impacts tell us this is unlikely.